I selected 3 logs from Dollar Tree of the woodcuts or wood pieces. I've glued those 3 together. And to resolve the problem with making a snowman, the whole trick is getting the eyes to match. Draw him a carrot nose, put him 4 dots for his mouth, and that will generally take care of that problem. Now we need to give him a little. Please note that I have drawn the snowman face on the back and on the front because, as you know, when ornaments are hanging on the tree, they dangle back and forth. Cut you a scrap piece of fabric about 1 inch wide. You do not want it to be perfect. You want it to be ragged because it is rustic. And just begin tying it on. Now we have to tie this little piece of fabric, just a single tie. Any scrap piece of fabric will do that matches your rustic look for your Christmas ornaments. Color him some buttons onto his chest. You can use a magic marker if you like. And I use some jute twine to put him on a hanger. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, make sure you read all the comments and suggestions because everyone is a part of my DIY community and I learn from them. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. And this way you will not miss out on this 15-week quick Christmas ornament. This is week 1 and we are doing the Rustic Snowman. Till the next DIY, this is Elizabeth, over and out. Bye guys.